Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here in beautiful Cape May, New Jersey, adding another video to my weekend series here on the New York channel. I just did the Washington Square shopping center, and now I'm going to head towards the beach. It's going to be a separate video, but before we hit the beach, we're going to check out all the beautiful Victorian homes in this town. So let's start walking, I guess, east, and then check out some homes, and then hit the beach, shall we? The first half of this video is going to be covering these beautiful homes. I think you'll agree they're simply stunning. The great thing about Cape May is you've got that shopping area in the first video I did here a couple weeks ago, and then you've got these beautiful Victorian homes. You can just walk up and down the streets just taking in their beauty, and then as you just head a couple blocks east, you have the beach area. So everything is within walking distance, and everything's a little bit different, a little bit unique, and it really makes for a nice day or weekend. You guys know I love to bring the holiday season to the New York channel, and I'm definitely going to do that again this year with Atlantic City, but I'm also going to make a special trip to Cape May. A lot of these Victorian homes and inns are decorated for the holiday season and open to the public, so I will definitely do that and make a video and bring it to you guys during the holiday season, which seems far away, but it'll be here before you know it. If you're not familiar with Cape May, these beautiful homes for the most part are all bed and breakfast, so you can book rooms here and just go downstairs, have a nice breakfast, hang out on the porch, go to the beach, go shopping. Really a beautiful place to hang out. I've been visiting Cape May for years, and I've always said there's lots of places you can go to rest, relax, and recharge, but then there's Cape May. In case you were wondering, Cape May is about an hour, maybe a little less than an hour south of Atlantic City. So if you are staying in Cape May and you just need an hour or two of craziness and excitement, well, that's just less than an hour away. This is Frankie the Flip-Flop. He follows me around all my Jersey Shore videos. Sometimes he's elusive, sometimes he's very easy to find. Spot him in this video, note the time you spotted him in the comments below, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Don't touch that dial, we're heading towards the beautiful Cape May Beach. We're this far into the video already, and I have yet to mention the beautiful gardens around these homes as well. But I'm sure you've noticed. Cape May is considered by many to be America's oldest seaside resort. Located on the southern tip of the Jersey shoreline, people have been vacationing here since the 1700s. But don't confuse Cape May with the rest of the Jersey Shore. This is not your snooky kind of place. What sets Cape May apart from other Jersey towns, or any other beach town for that matter, is its sheer number of Victorian houses and buildings, It has the highest concentration of Victorians after San Francisco, and that's no small feat. In 1878, a fire destroyed 30 blocks of the town, devastating the area, but the town quickly rebuilt itself with the modern style of the day, later known as Victorian. Well, look at us. We made it from the shopping area, past many but not all of the Victorians in town, and we've made it to the beach already. Everything about this area of Cape May is just a mom and pop feel or a vibe. There's no big stores, no national chains, no McDonald's. All that stuff is, within a drive away, but this area that we're in, where the shopping was, where the Victorian homes were, and the beachfront, everything is just small mom and pop type places, including even where you can stay, the bed and breakfasts. Well guys, like all good things, the Jersey Shore series here on the New York channel will be coming to an end. I think next week is the last episode. It's going to be a fun episode, so make sure you tune into it. After that, well, I do have a game plan, and I stress the word game. It's going to be very interactive and a lot of fun, and I hope you guys tune in. It's going to be something different for the New York channel, and I'm pretty excited about it. And again, it's going to be a weekend series. It won't interfere with the regular weekly schedule.
I see you shiver with anticipation.
Ah, the end of a beach day at the very southern tip of the Jersey Shore. As a child, Dino was my favorite Flintstone vitamin. I can't believe I didn't overdose on Dino. A while back ago, I was eating a crab cake sandwich here on the beach, and it's kind of like a burger, only on the beach, and a bunch of dolphins just came up to the shoreline. Everyone ran from their tables and ran to the shoreline. It was really a unique event. I'm coming to the end of a very long day, lots of walking. I wish there was a place to sit down. Who can guess what city in America has the highest taco restaurants per person? That distinction goes to Austin, Texas. Who can name what city has the highest pizza restaurants per person? That distinction goes to Detroit. Finally, who can name which town has the most restaurants named Carney's on Beach Avenue in New Jersey? That distinction goes to Cape May. Subscribe right now, it really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.